When you level your travel trailer, is it worth paying for a curved leveler, or is it just as easy to use these wood blocks that cost me nothing because my husband made them using scrap wood that he had around? Wood blocks versus curved levelers. Welcome back, weekend warriors, or if you're new here, I'm Randy, and every Thursday I help you make big memories in small campers. And say it with me, because weekends are just too short. I gotta tell you, Tom and I, we've been using our wood blocks to level our camper for over 4 years now. I've known about curved levels, but I thought they're kind of spendy, and I wasn't convinced that they would actually make leveling my RV that much easier. Honestly, I kind of thought they were a gimmick. And then this happened. I was solo camping and my campsite wasn't level. So I put some wood blocks down, backed my camper up, still not level. I pulled my camper forward and got more blocks out. Figuring out how to stack them best was like putting together a jigsaw puzzle. I thought I had it, and then this happened. You can see my tire is half on and half off. Shoot. So I restacked the wood blocks and tried again. Oh please, oh please, oh please, be even. Oh, side to side. I mean, we're not perfect, but I'm gonna take it. This was challenging. It was after this fiasco that I finally decided to give curved levelers a try. But because I didn't know a lot about these guys, I did a lot of research and I read a lot of reviews on Amazon. And that's how I decided on this one, the Carmtek Leveler. So I reached out to the company and they sent me their premium leveling kit. But I'm gonna be honest, I was still a little skeptical. The first thing I noticed about these levelers is that they feel really heavy duty. This leveler will work for a travel trailer or a RV up to 35,000 pounds. So it works perfect for my small camper, the little guy Max, and it'll work if you have a larger RV too. So I've been using this curved RV level now for a while, and let me show you what leveling my RV has been like now. They have a grip mat that you place right behind your tire, and then you place the thin part of the curved leveler on top of the mat right underneath your tire. Then you back your trailer slowly onto the leveler. Once you know that your trailer's level, you then take the chock that it comes with and you place that on the other side of the tire to keep your trailer in place. There is a little bit of a trick that I learned about to removing these chocks that I'm going to tell you about in just a minute. I really like the Carmtek Grip Mats. It comes with the premium kit, or you can buy them separately. They provide extra grip and traction, so when you're backing your trailer onto the leveler, it'll stay in place. This leveler will give you a 1/2 inch to a 4-inch lift, depending on how far you back your trailer onto it. There was one time when we were on another really unlevel camping spot and we needed more than 4 inches. So we just placed one board underneath this level and that did the trick. It was really easy. I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link to these levelers in the video description below. This will make it super easy for you to find them on Amazon. I also love that the Carmtek leveler comes with its own chock. When you place the chock underneath the leveler, the grips grip it in place. The chocks, they really do lock into place. So first, you need to back up your tow vehicle just a little bit to take the pressure off. Then remove the chock and you're ready to go. The other thing that really impressed me is their lifetime warranty. They say that if anything happens on down the line, you're guaranteed a free replacement or a complete refund. Now that's a really good warranty. Am I the only one out there that was skeptical about curved levelers and if they would make leveling your RV easier? Wood blocks versus curved levelers. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm now a believer. This curved leveler has made leveling so much easier.